In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek Coder. DeepSeek Coder is an AI assistant designed to help you write and reason about code quickly. Whether you're just getting started or want a fast way to draft snippets, the workflow is simple and focused. We'll walk through exactly what to do, and I'll share tips to make your prompts clear and effective. First, open DeepSeek AI. You can use it in your browser or any official interface that provides access. Once it's open, you'll be ready to interact with the coding assistant. Next, start a new chat. Beginning with a fresh conversation keeps your context clean, so the assistant focuses only on what you're about to request. This helps avoid confusion from any previous topics and makes the results more accurate. Now, type what you need, including the software or programming language and the specific command or task you want. Think of your prompt as an instruction to a helpful developer. Be explicit and concise. Mention the language, framework, or tool, describe the action you want, and add any important constraints, such as style, compatibility, or performance preferences. If you already know your environment or version, including that detail can improve the output. For example, you might write a code for hello in Python. This short prompt works because it clearly names the language and the desired outcome. DeepSeek Coder will typically respond with a simple Python script that prints a greeting, often using a straightforward print statement. If you want the code to be structured a specific way, you can say so right in your request, such as asking for a function form, inline comments, or a brief explanation of how the code works. You can also request that the assistant follow certain style conventions or provide variations, like a command line version or a minimal example for embedding in a larger project. This isn't adding new steps, it's simply clarifying your initial instruction, which improves the quality of the response. As you type, aim for clarity over length. A focused prompt like, write a Python script that prints hello with a main function and comments, gives the assistant exactly what it needs to produce clean, useful code. If something isn't quite right, refine your wording and restate the requirement in the same chat so the context stays consistent. That's all you need. Open DeepSeek AI, start a new chat, and tell it exactly what you want, including the software and command. With a clear prompt, DeepSeek Coder can quickly generate helpful, ready-to-use code.